Right. Very good afternoon to one and all. This is Atharvo Patel, and the next topic for today is artificial intelligence and human resources. So, without further ado, let's skip to the main content. So, the topic for today is AI and HR. Now, I know that these two terms are of very contradicting nature to each other. The fact of artificial intelligence being used in HR is itself ironic in nature, but today somehow or the other every industry is moving towards industry 4.0. Yes, industry 4.0 is the industry of customization, data mining, data analytics, integrated cyber physical systems and all. So how is AI in particular helping human resources? So some of its advantages are it helps in talent acquisition, which saves much of the time of the HR. Also, it is non-biased, it does not have any human errors, so there are big surveys or there is big data to be handled in files, which is being done very effectively by artificial intelligence and allied technologies. It is non-biased, that's what I said. Also, in today's gig economy, where labor rights are very difficult to enforce on the ground level, artificial intelligence may be key to induce human relations into the gig economy of today. But every coin has its two sides. This system is reactive but not proactive. Today there are some challenges that artificial intelligence is facing in the human resources field. The first and the foremost is the lack of security. Everybody knows that these systems are not reliable. Anybody can hack into it and get all the data out of it, which will cause severe damages to the company or the organization. The second problem is there are some anti-AI elements in people's mind. A psychological study says that for feedback analysis or for a grievance redressal portal, people do not usually tend to talk to robots or chatbots, etc. This is because they want their complaints, their feedbacks to be addressed by a real human. So you can say that the human touch is missing in artificial intelligence, specifically when we are talking about the human resources field, right? Also, I take artificial intelligence not as a replacement to human relation, but it is a very good optimized tool that we can help in human relations. So my final take on the topic is this should not be considered as a replacement, it should be considered as a tool, number one. Also, HR and artificial intelligence share what we call as a symbiotic relations, so one cannot exist without other in today's industry 4.0. So in order to go smoothly, we have to understand each and every pro and con of both of the aspects, take all the good things out of it, merge them, and then try to go for it together. And then the integrity, the upskilling, the retention, customer retention, and the client retention, and the well-being of the organization can be achieved. So that's my take on the topic. Thank you very much for your time.